Hi everyone, welcome to my channel PI Fly. I hope you guys are doing great. So guys, if you are going for Indigo walk-in interview, keep going for the interview, but do not forget to give online assessment being at home because it is important. So this video is all about Indigo's group discussion topics or question answers whatever they are asking right now to the candidate who is going for the walk-in interview, cause few walk-in interviews are still left and I am little bit late to update you people as I was having a very good time at my sister, so I was unable to update you anything. But guys, I am totally active right now. Keep asking all the questions whatever you have, and whatever the pending from your side, do not hesitate, let me know everything in details in the comment section. So yeah, please note it down. I have collected 7 to 8 questions which is very important, and depends on you how you are going to answer all these questions, because your selections based on these questions itself, as it is very important guys. They are rejecting candidate on the basis of these things, and selecting candidate on the basis of these questions only. So just be prepared, give a good answer. Let's get into the video. So first and foremost question is, they started questioning again your introduction. Tell me about yourself and about your little bit of family background. Tell me about yourself and a bit about your family background. Like this they are questioning candidates. So if you let them know about your introduction and about a bit about your family background, like what's your father do, and how your family is going on, like थोड़ा सा scenario. They just want, they are very curious, and depending they are not going to judge you, but yeah, they are going to check your communication skill, how you are conveying these things in front of them. Second question is, tell me about your favorite memory if you have during the interviews. Guys, during the interviews, if you have any good memories, let them know. But if it is the first time, you just say that this is my memory, I am going to carry it with myself. This is my first interview, I came it for the first time, and yeah, this is my great memory. जैसे भी enter करी, ये मेरे को ये friends मिले, वो friends मिले, the management is so good. These things you can just make it as a conversation, cause you cannot say that this is my first time ma'am, I cannot say anything, I do not have any good memories. No, उनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता आप फर्स्ट टाइम आए हो लास्ट टाइम आए हो, भाई उनको जो पूछा है उनको सवाल का आंसर देना है, दैट्स इट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, हु इज अ रोल मॉडल टू बिकम अ कैबिन क्रू. सो डू यू हैव समवन हु इज द रोल मॉडल and she or he motivated you to become a crew? Just let them know. ठीक है, ये उनको रोल मॉडल जानना है आपको, बट कैबिन क्रू के लिए कैसे मोटिवेट हुए उस रोल मॉडल से, आपको ये आंसर प्रिपेयर करना है. ये नहीं कि ये मेरे रोल मॉडल है और मैं मोटिवेट हो गई. वाई यू गॉट मोटिवेटेड टू बिकम अ कैबिन क्रू? बी दैट पर्सन ना जिसको देख के आप रोल मॉडल बोल रहे हो. सो ये क्वेश्चन बहुत हो रहे हैं, तो जस्ट बी सेफ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, व्हाट्स योर ओपिनियन ऑन इंडिगो यूनिफॉर्म. सो इंडिगो यूनिफॉर्म पे आपका क्या ओपिनियन है, ये आपको ये क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं. आई डोंट नो व्हाई दे स्टार्टेड क्वेश्चनिंग दिस थिंग्स, बट या गाइस, यू हैव टू आंसर दिस. लाइक आपके कोई ओपिनियन है उनके यूनिफॉर्म पे तो आप बताओ, वरना आप तो नो है. आपको जो भी अच्छा ओपिनियन है, बुरा ओपिनियन है, यू कैन जस्ट सारी भरा से निकाल देने उनके सामने में. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स विच इज मोटिवेटिंग यू टू कम फॉर द इंटरव्यू. सो क्या वो चीजें हैं जो आपको मोटिवेट करें इंटरव्यू में आने के लिए. ये एक क्वेश्चन हो गया, प्लीज नोट इट डाउन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, डू यू हैव एनी स्कूल मेमोरीज विच मेक्स यू हैप्पी इफ यू आर थिंकिंग अबाउट इट. एंड अभी भी अगर आप उसको सोचो तो आपको अच्छा लगे वो चीज सोच के, ऐसी कोई मेमोरी है आपकी स्कूल में, तो आपको वो बतानी है. सी, दे कैन ट्विस्ट द क्वेश्चन, दे कैन like they may add something while questioning you, but things are related to this only, and they are judging so hard, they are judging a candidate so hard, like they are rejecting all the candidate if they are not getting a good communicated answer. So just be prepared with that also. Next question is, what are your strengths and tell me your 2 weaknesses. वॉट आर योर स्ट्रेंथ. स्ट्रेंथ बहुत सारा पूछा है, वीकनेसेस 2 पूछी है, तो आपको उस तरह से आंसर करनी है. ठीक है. एंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन आई एम गोइंग टू हेल्प यू आउट, व्हाई यू वांट टू बिकम अ कैबिन क्रू. गाइस, दिस इज द मोस्ट एंड फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस you have to prioritize a lot. So the thing is, moral of the story is that prioritize introduction and why you want to become a cabin crew, what motivating you to join Indigo airline. These things are again on the loop, so you have to prepare this very nicely, guys. So these are the things, guys. I hope this will help you. Let me know in the comment section if you have any few such queries, and if you want more informations on this topic or something, if you want to share it to me, let me know in the comment section. I am here to help you out, happy to help you out, guys. Thanks for watching.